subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched the latest version of the Moto G Stylus in the US, and it is the upgrade over the last year's model. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G Stylus features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali G52 M2 GPU, and it packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the new Moto G Stylus supports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide plus macro lens with 180° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on MyUX skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes bundled with stylus pen that helps to write the note, edit screenshot, sketching and coloring, and more creative things. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 170.21 by 75.9 by 9.45mm, and it weighs around 216 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The new Moto G Stylus has been priced in the US at $299.99, and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in Twilight Blue and Metallic Rose color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from February 17th. So what do you guys think of this Moto G Stylus 2022 edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.